Welcome to another lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, I will discuss about multi-view or orthographic projections in AutoCAD. First of all, brief overview what is orthographic projection. Understanding projections. To make and interpret drawings, you need to know how to create projections and understand the standard arrangements of views. Okay, so that why standard? So that any person, technical person or engineer or person can understand these drawings. Okay, for example, this is an object. Okay, here is a height, here is a depth, here is a width. Okay, so this is the front view. The front view is shown in the 2D form. In projections, we convert 3D objects into 2D objects, like what is the view from the right side, from the first side, from the top side. That is the projections. Okay, similarly, if you have the projections, you also have the understanding how to visualize in the 3D form. You also need to familiar with the geometry of solid objects and be able to visualize a 3D object that is represented in a 2D sketch or drawing. Means the object you are having in a 2D drawings, you also have the visualization or the familiarization how to get or perceive the idea from 2D drawings. For example, here, okay, the system of views is called multi-views. Okay, if this is an object, if we draw the view from the front side, for example here, and if we draw the view from top side, right side, left side, rear or bottom, okay, so these all views are called projections. Okay, for example, a good representation of this multi-view drawing, here is a building. Okay, the each view is important. For example, top view, okay, front view of the building. Okay, here front view, right side view of the building, left side of the building, rear side, bottom side. Okay, so for the drawing of projections in AutoCAD, I will start from sketch file. Okay, in this example I will select AutoCAD ISO, that is a metric by default template. Okay, drawing template, open. Okay, so now here from where I pick the object, again from the book Basics of Engineering Drawing, here is the 3D object. I will pick that object and draw this object projections in AutoCAD. Okay, I will draw the third angle projections in AutoCAD, the 3 views necessary for drawing. Okay, now I will pick the first of all I will draw the plan view. Okay, move this triangle. Okay, now again under this object there is a hidden object. Okay, again that is also in the rectangular form. Okay, now that's the top view. Now this in the top view, this cut will be seen from the top, but this hidden feature will not be visible in the top view. For that I will go in the layers and create a new layer, that is hidden lines. Okay, here that is a continuous line. I will load and go in the hidden. Here is a hidden. Okay, I will select again hidden. Okay, now the line type is changed to hidden. Okay, I will select this object and change the layer type to hidden. Okay, so now you can see the dotted line. The dotted line is too close, so I will again right click, properties. I will change the line type to for example 3. Okay, now that is looking good. Okay, the hidden object. Now I will make the, now that is the top view. Now I will draw the front view. This longitudinal view is the front view. Okay, this is the right side view. I will draw the this front view. Okay, for that again I will go in the rectangular form. Okay, this is not on scale. Okay, in this scale I will show in the next example. Move this object, press shift so that it can intersect with the line. Okay, now for this, okay. Okay, now in the front view this line will not be visible, so I will press trim, enter, enter. Okay, trim 2 times because this line is not present. Okay, similarly this feature will be hidden. Okay, this down feature will be hidden. Okay, in this view. So first of all I will click this object and explode so that the lines will be separate. So here I press explode. Now I will select one by one these two lines and go to hidden. Okay, so again its scale is small. Okay, I will change later. Now I will make the right side view. For the making of right side view I will make a 45-degree line. Okay, from this at the rate, it line is for example 2000, angle is 45-degree, enter, enter. That is a 45-degree line. Okay, now I will draw the lines and make it down, enter again. Okay, now this edge and this edge is compensated here, and the height of this object is also compensated now for this object. Okay, press shift, enter, press shift for drawing of horizontal line. Okay, so now the last hidden object is left. Okay, hidden object is at the same, so I will just draw the lines from this point to this point, enter again to this point. Okay, now I will delete the rest of lines. by using trim command. Press TR, enter TR, press enter, again press enter. Now I will trim all these lines. Okay, I will select these lines and assign hidden line feature. Okay, so again I will select these lines all, press properties and change the scale to now again 3, enter. Now you can see the dotted line are now looking good. So that's how we draw the 3D orthographic projections in AutoCAD. Okay.